We've heard so much about meditation, but most people don't really understand what it is. It's not just sitting with the eyes closed and relaxing. There is a major transformation that happens to the brain and to the entire field of consciousness. I am Bob Fickes. I live in Chiang Mai, Thailand, and I teach meditation. It is my work and my life to help others enjoy what I have discovered over the last 64 years of this life. It's opened my eyes, it's opened my heart, it's opened my mind, and my entire field of consciousness to experience life differently. And I learned quickly how to enjoy life, and that's what I want to share with you. Quantum meditation is a revolutionary new understanding about traditional meditation. It comes from the masters. There is a fundamental difference between real meditation, i.e. quantum meditation, and all other forms of meditation and relaxation. The mind is functioning what's called beta. Beta is a frequency that typifies waking state of consciousness, normal consciousness. During beta, we focus and identify. Okay? Everything we do, we focus on it, identify it, and then we decide what we want to do about it. This is normal state of consciousness. During meditation, we enter an extremely different state of reality. Instead of focusing the mind, we relax the mind but stay alert. We're actually, the more we relax and the less focused we are, the more our mind naturally expands. Now, for instance, looking at this video and looking at my face, you don't see anything else in the background. This is due to focus. Narrow-minded perspective, okay? If we just relax a little bit and not focus so much on me, just let your awareness open more, you start to take in the background images as well. This is really what we're doing in meditation, but in a much more sophisticated way. We allow the mind to stop focusing, but continue to be alert, but just relax, expand until the mind locates infinite space. We become much more aware of all the details until we move into a state that is very coherent and peaceful. As soon as we relax and the mind expands, the brain waves start to change. We receive a technique that takes the mind into a very deep place called quantum field. Everything starts to get coherent, and there's this synchronicity that moves from the back of the head up over both hemispheres of the brain until all the brain cells are synchronized, all friction is removed, and all the brain cells start to activate together, which means now, for the first time in our life, our whole brain is active at the same time and in synchrony with every brain cell. Thanks to modern science, we can identify what the yogis have been experiencing. It is a quantum field of consciousness. From that point on, the brain starts to perform differently. Just like when we want to go to sleep or wake up, it's an automatic process. You can't try to go to sleep. The more you try, the more awake you become. Meditation is exactly the same. The more you try to meditate, the less it works. Everyone has the ability to meditate, but if you don't know how to turn on the switch, it never happens. Once we've learned correctly, all we have to do is relax, switch on the switch, the body responds automatically, and meditation is produced. Quantum meditation happens. Quantum field perception begins to happen. I want everyone to know that in this life we can live everything that we desire. Our dreams can come true.